What is up, ladies gang? I'm currently standing in my apartment. I'm gonna give you guys a little apartment tour. It's empty right now. I'm gonna give you guys a little apartment tour. Don't mind my stuff on the kitchen counter. So this is the front door. As soon as you walk through the door, we have the kitchen. So we're gonna start in the kitchen. We have an outlet here. This will probably where I'll be doing most of my studying. Come around this corner. We have a dishwasher. And then we have all these cabinets, spaces. Cabinet drawers. We have gas stove. The oven. The microwave. Cabinets up here that I cannot reach. More cabinet space. I love how we have, okay, that goes to the garbage disposal, but I love how we have all these outlets so that I can have multiple things plugged in. More cabinet space. Cabinet space. Cupboards up there. We have a refrigerator. It comes with the ice maker, which is lovely, but I'm gonna clean all this out. And then we have the refrigerator, which I'm gonna also clean out. And then we face back towards the front door. We have the washer and dryer. The dryer. And the washer. And then the light switch for the laundry room. Which I'm gonna close this door because I don't want it open right now. And then this door right here on the other side of the washer and dryer is the pantry. Pantry area, which is just enough room for this, just me. And then on the side of the pantry is the bathroom door. As you can see, there's a tub right here and a shower. We have the shower. I think I'm gonna change that out eventually, but tub, shower. We're gonna clean all of this. Go to the left, we have the bathroom counter space, and then a medicine cabinet. Hi, there's me. And then we have all these drawers and stuff, which I love because I have a lot of bathroom stuff. These unfortunately do not pull out. We have a lot of under cabinet space. Focus. The toilet. I am gonna take this up because I want to see if there's any mildew behind here. There's not, which is great. Oh jeez, I'm making a lot of noise. And then on the other side of the shower is the closet. And then the closet light switch is right here on the other side of the bathroom door. I love this closet. It has so much space. I'm about to show you guys. Look at this closet. We have storage up there, storage right here. We have storage right here. We have storage right here. And we even have an outlet in here, which is nice. I don't know what we would plug in here, but yeah. Super cute. And then it's This is carpet. The bathroom has wood flooring. The bedroom has carpet. And then the living room and the kitchen have this nice wood flooring. And then also I have a little balcony out here. I'm not gonna bring you guys out there because it shows like the area that I live in. So, I love how there's outlets everywhere in this apartment, which I love. They're everywhere. But
I'm unstable and I'm unsteady. I've lost a